Hello awesome people, welcome back a new video. In this video we will learn how to edit WooCommerce product category page with the Elementor free plugin. But before jump into the main tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest WordPress tips and tricks and to get more videos on WordPress. Okay, let's check which we are going to do in this tutorial. This is my e-commerce website, and in this tutorial my goal is I want to edit the product category page with Elementor. Okay, let's check. This is the product category page which design come with the theme, but I don't like this design. Now I want to edit this page with Elementor, but normally you can do it with the Elementor free plugin. But in this tutorial I will do it with Elementor free plugin and use a extra WooCommerce Elementor add-on. Okay, after editing this product category page, let's check how does look like. This is the my edited page. You can see its design much better, and I have shown the category description very first of the category page. Normally if you want to add the product category description, but it doesn't possible with Elementor free plugin, but in this tutorial I will show you how you can do it with Elementor free plugin and a free add-on. Okay, so let's get started. Go to the admin dashboard. Just scroll down, hover over on plugins, click on add plugin, search here shop builder. Shop builder Elementor WooCommerce builder add-on, which is completely free, and by using this add-on you can edit the WooCommerce product category page, shop page, product single page. Okay, so already I have shown in my previous video. If you want, then you can check it, or just go to my YouTube channel. Just go to the YouTube and type here WP Handy. Just type here WP Handy. This is my YouTube channel WP Handy. Then navigate to the playlist. Click on WooCommerce playlist. Just click here. Then you can see already I have made the tutorial how to customize WooCommerce checkout page, WooCommerce shop page and product page as well. Okay, and I have shown how to add variation product and simple product. So if you want, then you can check it from here, and I have given the video link in this video description. Now you can close it. Then again go to the dashboard and click on install now. Activate. After activating the plugin, you can see shop builder option is added in left side menu. Now in this tutorial we want to overwrite, or we want to redesign the product category page. That's why very fast we have to make a category template page. So again go to the dashboard and hover over on shop builder, click on template builder. WooCommerce page builder, click on add new page, and right here the product category page template name I want to give my product page, my product category page. If you want, then you can give another name which you like. Okay, so select template type shop. I have to select category archive. That's why I want to make this product category page. So you have to select from here category archive and select editor type Elementor. Yes, that's why I want to work with Elementor. Then set as active template. Definitely I want to activate it. Okay, then scroll down, you can see it has lots of free build template. Some are free, some of them are pro. Okay, so we are going to use free plugin and free add-on, so we can use this pre-made template. Okay, so I can use it. It's grid layout and a left side filter or left sidebar. Okay, so click on import now. Okay, the pre-built template is imported. Now let's check. This is the default product category page. Just refresh the page. Yes, you can see the design has been changed. Now we can fix the issue. Like you can see very top, it has no padding or margin in bottom side. Okay, so very first we have to give the padding, and we want to show the category description is category page. So again go to the dashboard, and just from the right side bottom, edit with Elementor. Click on here. Okay, now select the section, just click here, then navigate to the advanced tab, layout, style and advanced. Again I show, click here this section, then the layout, style and advanced. Okay, so padding I want to give top 50 pixel and bottom will be 50 pixel. Okay, now publish it, then refresh the page. Yes, now it looks perfect. You can see this is the padding and this is the padding. Okay, now again I want to show this category description very fast of this page. Okay, again go to the editor. Now add a section here, so we can duplicate it. Just duplicate it. Okay, and just remove it. Okay, now we can show the description here. So click on this plus icon, add element, then you have to work on these settings like shop builder, category, archive. Okay, so scroll down, if you can see shop builder, general and another item, but we have to work with this option, shop builder, category, archive. That's why we want to redesign or edit the product category page. Okay, so this is the shop builder, category, archive. You can see this is the archive description. Just drag and drop here. Okay, this is the dummy text. Just publish it. You can see the product category description is showing here. Okay, so let's check it. This category name is groceries. So go to the admin dashboard. And product to categories. Okay, groceries, you can see this is the description. Discover a wide range of every day. You can see this is the category description. Okay, then again check another categories. This is the juicy. Just view it. Okay, you can see it shows the different text. That's mean it works perfectly. Okay, so again go to the editor, and if you want, then you can customize it. Like click here, then filter by category tag. Okay, you can change it from here. You can see if you select filter query, you can change from here. Okay, then the settings, you can change settings from here. Just search from settings. You can see this is the icon. You can change icon from here, and the text. Okay, you can change the placeholder text from here. Then the apply filter button, scroll down, this is the apply filter button. If you want, then you can deselect from here. You can change the icon from here and filter scrolling. Then the reset button. Okay, so reset button, if you filter, then reset button will show. Okay, let's check it. So again go here, just I want to, so this is select this category, then apply filter. Okay, you can see it shows perfectly. So then again, if you want filter by cell, maybe the cell product is not available, again filter, apply filter. Yes, you can see it works. Okay, so again go to the editor, then if you want, then you can style from here. You can change the color, this is the filter title. Okay, then this is the color. If you want, then you can change from here. Okay, I hope if you will check the settings from here, you will understand easily. Okay, and if you have any question about on, then you can ask me in this video comments. I am ready to help you. Thanks for watching the video.